Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Chainlink Price Analysis http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 USD bears threaten to retest the upside trend line http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 137 GMT http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 may be vulnerable to further losses as the price dropped below the daily SMA 50. A sustainable recovery above $12.80 will mitigate the initial bearish pressure. Chainlink http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 has lived through one of the worst weeks in history. The token with the current market capitalization of $3.9 billion lost nearly 35% of its value in the last 7 days and touched the area below $11 for the first time since the beginning of August. At the time of writing, http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 USD is changing hands at $11, down over 10% on a day-to-day basis. The token's trading volume slumped to $1.3 billion from $1.7 billion on Friday, September 4. http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 USD The technical signals imply that http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26's price has not bottomed yet. The token dropped below the daily SMA 50 and may retest the support of $10 created by the upside trend line from July 6. This barrier should slow down the bears and create a precondition for an upside correction. However, once it is cleared, the sell-off may be extended towards $8.60 the daily SMA 100. A sustainable move below this area will signal that the bullish trend is over, and the price is ready to return to the range that dominated in the first half of 2020. A move above the daily SMA 50 currently at $12.23 will mitigate the immediate bearish pressure and allow for a recovery towards $13.80 $14. This area served as a support at the end of August. http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 USD Daily Chart NBSP The 4-hour chart's picture confirms the downside momentum of the coin with the local support at $10. The initial recovery attempts will be limited by the consolidation area on approach to $12.80. The critical resistance is created by a combination of the 4-hour SMA 50 and SMA 100 at $15. http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc264 US dollars Hour Chart NBSP To conclude, http ntvforex.com News ID 91cc26 USD is vulnerable to further losses with the support areas at $10 and $8.60. Meanwhile, a recovery above the resistance zone of $12.20 $12.80 will negate the immediate bearish scenario and allow for a move towards $15.00. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https m.me mt5.expert.advisors.